Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset to recovery mode on a POCO C61. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And here you have to navigate with volume buttons and select with power button. So move to wipe data factory reset and then press power button, and then move to factory data reset and press power button again. And now select reboot system now. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings, and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.